Here we have the old exhaust from my Fiat Coupe that soon will become completely new exhaust, brand new exhaust for this Peugeot 106. Oh yeah!
I know the simple way to get rock and roll. I know the simple way to get you out of control. I can manipulate it like a doll. I say to all the chicks and the girls I've loved, to all of my enemies, true and false, everyone who's got no home, I say yeah, I say fuck you all. I know the simple way to get rock and roll. I know the simple way to get you out of control. I can manipulate it like a doll. I say yeah, I say rock and roll. To all of the chicks and the girls I've loved, to all of my enemies, true and false, everyone who's got no home, I say yeah, I say rock and roll.
Welcome in another episode of D-Stage Garage. This time we're changing the exhaust in my 106.
Yeah, the old exhaust is actually in pretty good shape, but it's only 40 mm in diameter, which gives us around 10 square centimeters for the gas flow. And this might be enough for the current setup, but who knows what future will bring for this little French piece of art.
Yeah, and we want to make sure that it will be not suppressed by too small exhaust. Plus, I want it to sound awesome.
Awesome! Yeah, everybody knows that it's the goal here, right? And remember that this is a very low-cost project, so we could not just go for a nice stainless steel, custom-made, shiny exhaust, right? Because those things may cost anywhere from a few hundred to over $1,000.
So instead we're gonna use the old piping from your coupe.
That's right! It's 60 mm in diameter, that gives us 25 square centimeters for the gas flow, much more. And we've got the flex joints, two mufflers, some bands, pipes, pretty much everything that we need. But the biggest advantage here is that I don't need it anymore, so it's free.
And for those stuff that we're missing, we've paid less than $50.
Nice! In another episode we will show you some tests and detailed sound analysis of different setups, and I guess we'll use the loudest one?
No, we won't. It will be the most awesome.
Awesome! Let's cut some metal.
First we need to completely dismount the old exhaust together with our custom downpipe.
The old catalytic converter. Yep. And the new one there.
There is not much space near the turbocharger, and taking out the old filter makes things much easier. We are planning on changing the oil anyway, so it won't give us any extra work. The time has come to say goodbye to both Coupe and 106 old exhausts and create something new.
We call it cutting. It isn't exactly that. To me, it goes much deeper. Cutting implies severing something. It really should be called assembly. Mosaic is assembling something to create a whole, create an idea.
Some key aspects of making a custom exhaust is cutting and welding. But most important thing when you're trying to reshape something that was previously a part of completely different vehicle is your imagination. When you look at this pile of pipes and bends, you see the endless possibilities to connect them in different order. After that, it's just a matter of few feeds and tries, and it will all come together. We're hanging the muffler to have both ends of the exhaust in place, just like you start the puzzle from the edges. Just few cuts here and welding there, and it fits perfectly.
Bring what I need is plan, no seeds in a pen that jams. I be what they said I can't, then I leave and they just say, damn. This man is a must right now. My future's only really looking up right now. Probably why these niggas looking stuck right now. I can feel it in my heart and in my gut right now. I don't feel a need to stop.
Taki basowy jest trochę, ale za cichy, za cichy.
Za cichy. Arthur, show us the most important tool here. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Stanley.
If you don't have a nice big saw to cut the pipe at once, here is a nice tip how to mark the cutting area so you will get the edge flat.
What a beautiful line.
I could do it all.
Polish product, Filtron and Valvoline.
Not Polish, I think.
Not Polish, of course.
Not good.
I think this is from US. 10W60.
Yeah, I like it.
VR1 Racing. It's the best one. Okay, not the best, but one of them. Really fine. Maximum performance for racing. Yeah!
Yeah.
Just a quick oil change and you're good to go. Well, maybe just after sealing few gaps.
Okay, so this is how we do things in Poland.
Few words of explanation. This rack is there just as a temporary mean of sealing the exhaust, as we will test the other mufflers as well. At this part of the exhaust average temperature is about 150 degrees and it is most likely lower after our short test drive. Any cotton fiber would ignite above at least 210 degrees by an open flame or above 400 degrees by an auto ignition, so there is no fire hazard here. Nevertheless, we did take extra fire extinguishers with us, just in case.
Nice and tight.
In the next episode of D-Stage Garage. check the level and sound in different configurations and decide which one is the most awesome. Stay tuned!